Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I have this cool mixer right here, and basically what this is a sink caddy. So you definitely put like your sponges, your brushes, even like your dish soap or whatever inside right here to keep it all organized. So you can see this is basically what the product looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually take off the wrapper first to give you guys a better point of view of the product. Alright, so you can see that this is basically what the product looks like when we first get it. So you definitely have the front part right here to put your sponges right here if you guys want to. And then here's what it looks like on top. So you definitely put like your dish soap inside right here and maybe like a little brush right here. But when you see from the design of the product, it definitely looks very nice. It definitely looks very simple but also very modern as well. But the overall product definitely feels like a high quality product, and they do use like a high quality stainless steel right here that's also anti-fingerprint as well. So no matter how many times you guys put your fingerprint on here, it doesn't stay on. And then right here is basically what the bottom part looks like. So they do have the little anti-skid part right here, so once you guys put it onto like the table, it won't keep moving around, which is pretty nice. So I've been seeing the photo right here to give you guys an example of what it actually looks like when you guys fully set it up. But this is basically what the product looks like. Let me actually bring this over to the sink and then show you guys how to set it up and what it actually looks like once we fully set it up. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we have the product all set right here. So I'm gonna put some stuff on here to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so once you guys fully set it up, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. So you definitely have enough space for you guys to put 2 sponges right here, 1 brush, and then the dish soap right here. So this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully assemble it and once you guys have stuff inside. So basically once you guys are done using the product, the liquid will fall inside right here, and you guys can actually open up this whole entire thing to actually wash it or rinse it off. So I'm just take it apart and show you guys what I mean. So if you guys want to take it apart, all you need to do is just go like this. Take out the bottom part and rinse it. And then top part right here, you can take it out like that very easily and just rinse everything you guys need to. And when you're done, just put it back together. Same thing for the bottom part as well. So you put back your brush inside, your soap, and your 2 sponges or whatever you guys want to put in front right here, and it's all set. So you can see this is basically what the product looks like. It definitely looks very nice and very modern, and it works so well with the layout that we have right here. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys want to quick test our product and definitely see it actually does work and actually quite well. Super easy to use and super easy to install as well. And I really like the design and the look of the product. It definitely gives you guys that very simple but modern look to it to make your sink look a lot cooler as well. And the cool thing about the product is the fact that you guys can actually take it apart if you guys want to, if you guys need to clean every single part. So the top part, the bottom part, and then the middle part as well. So that way I can actually clean everything really easily. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys want to get like a sink caddy to like organize all your stuff, such as your dish soap, your brushes, your sponges, or whatever. You can definitely organize all of that on here. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have just one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.